Good morning. Well, we've been camped here in a small town called Otto, and I think we've been here for 2 nights, and it's a beautiful spot. I mean, we don't normally stay at campgrounds, but I have to say, this campground is really nice, and it only costs about €13, which is very cheap. Amazing facilities, showers, all the services you need and everything, so worked out really well, and had a really great bike ride through some of the villages, waterfalls, all kinds of stuff yesterday. Today we are heading into the national park up in the mountain and doing a hike through a whole bunch of waterfalls. I'm really looking forward to it. So we're up and trying to get moving a little early this morning. Let's get packed up and get ready to roll. Quick pit stop before we leave camp to fill up water, empty gray water, and then we're on our way. Well, we made it here to the parking lot. We're packed up and getting ready to hit the trail, but it is freezing up here. So hopefully with the sun coming out behind the mountain, it should warm up a little bit, but let's go. National park is absolutely beautiful, but I will say there are a lot of rules and regulations, probably much more than any other national park that I've been to. So Link has to stay on a leash the entire time, pretty much has to stay on the path. There's no swimming in the water, there's nothing except for walking the trail. But it is absolutely beautiful, and the waterfalls are massive, and I think with all the rain we've had lately, the water is really rushing through these waterfalls, and it's making a really good hike through here.
We made it back to the rigs just as the rain was starting. We did get a little wet, but that's okay. Spring here has been really wet, and almost every afternoon I feel like it just dumps rain. But today is actually pretty cold, and I think it's supposed to rain majority of the rest of the evening. So we are going to head down the mountain out of the national park and try to find camp in one of the villages a little bit closer to France, because I think we're going to be crossing over into France tomorrow. Just as we're getting ready to leave, it starts to hail. They're about the size of marbles, some of them, and I walked outside to get a video. It kind of hurt when they hit you in the head. I really hope you enjoyed this journey through the Pyrenees with some of our friends. Lots of waterfalls, some scenery. It's been a good couple days. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, bell so you're notified for next time. And until next time, I think we'll see you in France.